Hey everybody, it's Nat coming to you with another video. In this video, I will be unboxing my Boxy Charm box for the month of May. So if you're interested in seeing my Boxy Charm box, what's in it, and my feelings on the items in the box, you know what to do. Please stay tuned. So here is my Boxy Charm box. So let me cut it open. For their birthday month, they sent the extra item. Regularly, we get 4 to 5 full-size items for $21 a month. But this month, they sent 6. So let's see what we have. It said Boxy Charm, Hello Charmer. I don't even know if I've ever seen that before. I just happened to see it today. But okay. Yeah. Okay. It says Boxy Bash. It seems like I smell nail polish. It has a coupon for 20% off. Cover FX using the code Boxy. And then for Per Cosmetics, it's 15% off using Boxy Maze. So if any of you guys shop at CoverFX or Per.com, then you could use those for a little discount. You know, it's always good to save a little change. You know what I'm saying? A little change. So oddly enough, I'm looking at what's in here, and none of it's nail polish. I don't know why I smell nail polish. Okay, the first thing is this Cover FX blurring primer. And according to the card, it's a lightweight, soft focus primer that blurs the appearance of pores, fine lines, and other imperfections, creating a smooth canvas for flawless foundation application. It retails for $38. So it is closed up. I'm gonna pull this off. And let me see if you all can see this. Okay. Feels very smooth. It kind of blends into like a powder-like finish. Smells very smells like little of next to nothing. It's like gone. It doesn't have a silicone-y feeling or a moisturizing type of feel or anything like that. It just, you can definitely tell. Well, I guess because I know I just put something near. Like it's some type of barrier, but it's like it's almost not there. So, interesting. Alrighty, the next thing is a matte lip gloss. And it has Boxy Charm at the top. And at the bottom, it has by Beauty Creations. Beauty Creations Matte Liquid Lip Gloss is specially formulated to provide full coverage that dries to a seamless, smooth, and matte finish. Its lightweight application is long wearing for an effortless lip color that complements all skin tones. Sure, let's see what this is all about. Oh, that's pretty. It looks red on the camera, but in person it's like a pinky color. Let me swatch it. It's definitely a pinky color. It's definitely a pinky color, but it looks red off camera. This is really pretty. It smells like Kool-Aid. Like, you know, the Kool-Aid packs without the sugar, where you just smell the Kool-Aid. That's what it smells like. It doesn't really smell sweet. Smells like Kool-Aid without the sugar. We have this next. It's by Pretty Vulgar. They sent me a blush a couple of months ago. But this right here is the Ink Gel Eyeliner. Said this highly pigmented gel eyeliner provides a quick drying application with enriched vitamin C to condition the lids. Its creamy and water-resistant formula allows for smooth application that stays in place all day. This retails for $24. And this retails for $10. This retails for $10. So again, this retails for $24. It's kind of heavy. You open it up and it's deep in there. I mean, packaging is pretty. But this looks like one of those, like it has a feather on it, because it does reminds me, you know, back in the old times, well, way back in the old times, like before they had pens and we see the movies and the guy is writing something, he dips the end of a long feather into that ink and writes. This is what this reminds me of. But I kind of wish it's so deep in there, like it's that much, it's like that deep in there. I mean, why couldn't they just push all that up to the top? I mean, I don't know. I'm just weird like that. But anyway, here it is. Let me just try to get a little bit out. I don't know if this makes a difference. I mean, it feels okay. I can see myself using it for a base for an eye look. I'll try it for an eyeliner too and see how I like it. But I'm finding myself liking either regular retractable eyeliners or a liquid liner. Like the liners you have to put on with the brush. I'm not really into that. But that's just me. That's just me. Okay, next we have these brushes. I believe it's called Estica. It said, with synthetic fibers that allow for maximum control, the 12-piece face brush is perfect for creating a seamless look. Okay, that's this one. That's this one. It retails for $27. So it's a 12-piece set. And they just sent this brush. Soft. It's very soft. And I could see myself applying, you know, blush or some type of maybe sweeping off my setting powder for under my eye. And thumbs up this video. This is actually my second video I've done with no makeup on. I have like no makeup on, like nothing. And I got on camera just for y'all, no makeup. Anyway, this is a nice brush. This retails for $27. And then this right here is the 3-piece eye trio. It says the Estetica Trio series comes with an angled eyeliner brush, a brow spoolie, and a fine-tipped eyeliner brush. Okay, so it has an angled eyeliner brush and a fine-tip eyeliner brush along with a brow spoolie. A convenient 3-in-1 use for a wide variety of looks, from a subtle wing to a dramatic cat eye. Use the brow brush for fuller, more defined eyebrows. And this retails for $45. Okay. $45 for these 3 brushes. Let me see. I'm not, I'm not the one, I haven't got into yet. I don't know if I will, but right now I'm not. You can find really good brushes on like the Wet n Wild brushes are good. You know, some of them are like $1 a piece. And I do have like Morphe brushes that I like. You know, I'm not really into those really expensive brushes. I mean, that's just me though. But here are the 3 brushes. I definitely can use this eyebrow brush to brush. I definitely can use this eyebrow spoolie to brush my eyebrows. And then an angle eyeliner brush. And then here is the fine tip. So, in reality, you could use either one of these two with this to, you know, get you some eyeliner on your eyes if that's what you prefer. So I like them. I'm always up for a good brush. So I will be using these as well. So like I said, it's a $21 a month service. And I mean, a $21 a month subscription. Because I think you'll get a better understanding of why BoxyCharm is so popular. And I mean, you get a lot of good products for little or next to nothing. So oh my God, yeah, I was finna get ready to close this video out and realize I missed the whole product. It's by Purr. It's the Sculptor palette. It's a 4-shade sculpting palette that features 2 high beam highlighters and 2 matte contour shades that will leave the skin sculpted to perfection with highly pigmented and buttery formulas. Woo, good thing I didn't miss this. They had it hid at the bottom, and then they had a lot of like the packaging on top of it. Something smell like nail polish. Okay, so it's just blank. Here it is. Okay. Okay. I could see myself using all of these shades. Let me swatch them right quick. Y'all see the 4? So 2 highlighting shades right here, and then the 2 contour shades right here. I could see myself even using this as a crease color for an eye look. Y'all, BoxyCharm, and it's got a mirror. BoxyCharm be okay. And it says you are the sculptor right here. It says you are the I know it look crazy, but it says you are the sculptor of your own destiny. Love it. Love it. Love it. And they even have names. The originator, the it says originator, trailblazer, inventor, and founder. Okay. Yes. I like this. I like this. So now I can say thank you for tuning into my video. Please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Please smash that notification bell so you can be part of the notification squad. And until next time, people, peace and blessings. Bye.